So one of the, you've referred to earlier the meeting that you had with Mr. Padrick on February 12th of this year. There's a video recording made at that meeting, correct?
Yes.
Do you know who made the video recording?
I did.
Was it on your computer?
Yes.
And why did you do that?
Because I thought it was a semi-public meeting, and I looked at the law and it said I could record it if I thought it was court-ordered in a semi-public meeting and I didn't conceal the equipment.
Okay, so you said you didn't conceal it. Where was it?
It was right on the back counter, facing... Okay, if there was a counter here, it was right here, and they were right there.
Okay. Did you hear Mr. Padrick say he didn't want people to take verbatim notes?
Yes.
And did it surprise you he would say that?
Yes.
When you knew there was a video camera going?
What was that?
Did it surprise you that he would say that when you knew that there was a video camera running?
Can you rephrase the question?
Sure. You knew there was a video camera running, correct?
Correct.
Which means that every word that somebody said was going to be recorded, right?
Correct.
So didn't it surprise you when he said, well, I don't want you to take verbatim notes?
Yes.
And why didn't you say to him, well, there's a video camera recording, of course we're going to have verbatim notes?
Because he was acting very strange and I really didn't know what to do. I didn't understand why he was saying not to take notes at a meeting. And I wasn't expecting that.
Okay. Now you said this was a court-ordered meeting?
No, the judge instructed us to have the meeting at the hearing. It's my understanding that the judge instructed us to have the meeting.
When you were at the hearing where he said that?
Yes.
I just want to interpose a potential objection with respect to relevance. And you're going to still answer the questions, but the scope of a 2004 exam is extremely broad, but the impact that the answers to these questions may have on the estate is starting to feel somewhat attenuated to me.
Okay. Did anyone else at the meeting, other than you, I'll strike that, did you tell anyone else that was at the meeting on February 12th that you were video recording?
Yes.
Who'd you tell?
Terry Vance, Tim Larkin, Jan Newman, my stepmom, Mark Newman.
And you told them that before the taping began?
Correct.
Was there a meeting that you had before the meeting with Mr. Padrick?
No.
All right. So how did you tell him that you were recording?
Well, I said, I have a laptop to record this to Terry Vance. Should I bring it in? He said yes. So I brought it in.
And where did you have that discussion with him?
In the same conference room, just when I walked in the door.
The same day?
Yes.
All right. Did you? I know you sought legal advice at some point. You provided us with the email or the letter you got back from Mr. Anderson.
Yes.
In connection with this video recording. Did you seek legal advice before you did the video recording?
No, I researched it on my own. I didn't have enough time to seek legal advice. The hearing where the judge told us to have the presentation was on the 11th, and we had the presentation at 9 o'clock in the morning, so I did the research that night.
Did you audio record any hearings in the court?
No.
You never did?
No.
Are you aware of anyone else doing that?
No.
Okay, why don't we take a little break, and we're getting there. Getting closer.
Okay. I want you to build in some time for me to
You want to ask some questions?
follow-ups. Yeah.
Sure.
Are we agreed to go off the record?
Yeah.
Off the record at 1:49 p.m.